Frigidaire EFR376 Mini Fridge on Amazon. Is it worth your money? For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of rummaging through your pantry for a cold drink or snack after a long day? Do you wish you had a compact and efficient mini fridge to store all your essentials? Well, I have some exciting news for you. Today, we're going to dive into the world of compact refrigeration with the Frigidaire EFR376 Mini Fridge. But here's what surprised me when I first laid eyes on this little gem. It's not just a pretty face. It packs a punch when it comes to features and performance. Therefore, if you're in the market for a reliable mini fridge that won't break the bank, keep reading because we're about to take a deep dive into what makes this product tick. First impressions: the Frigidaire EFR376 Mini Fridge measures 19.6 inches tall by 15.7 inches wide by 19.2 inches deep, making it an ideal addition to any small space. Its sleek and modern design will fit right in with your home decor without looking out of place. But what truly sets this mini fridge apart from the competition is its impressive capacity. With a storage volume of 3.1 cubic feet, you can store up to 18 cans or bottles, making it perfect for college dorms, small kitchens, or offices. Now let's talk about the nitty-gritty details that matter most: temperature control and energy efficiency. The Frigidaire EFR376 comes equipped with manual defrosting, a feature that ensures your food stays fresh without breaking the bank on expensive electricity bills. However, I did find it a bit surprising that this mini fridge doesn't come with any advanced features like automatic defrost or an ice maker. Therefore, if you're looking for a high-end mini fridge experience, you might want to look elsewhere. But here's where things get interesting. Despite the lack of advanced features, the Frigidaire EFR376 Mini Fridge is surprisingly energy efficient. With a power consumption of just 80 kWh/year, it's an excellent option for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about what sets this mini fridge apart from the competition. Its affordability. Priced at under $200 on Amazon, it's one of the most budget-friendly options available in the market today. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into some customer reviews and ratings to see how real users have experienced this product. Customer reviews. One thing that stood out to me was the overwhelmingly positive feedback from customers. With an average rating of 4.25 on Amazon, it's clear that this mini fridge has won over many hearts. However, as with any product, there are some downsides. Some users have reported issues with temperature control and energy efficiency, so be sure to read reviews carefully before making a purchase. But what about the warranty? Does Frigidaire offer any peace of mind for its customers? Indeed they do. The Frigidaire EFR376 Mini Fridge comes with a 1-year limited warranty that covers defects in materials and workmanship. Therefore, if anything goes wrong during this time frame, you can rest assured knowing you're protected. However, I did find it a bit surprising that the warranty doesn't cover wear and tear or maintenance-related issues. Therefore, be sure to follow proper maintenance procedures to ensure your mini fridge lasts as long as possible. But here's what really matters: the performance of this mini fridge in real-world scenarios. Let's take a look at some customer reviews and ratings to see how it stacks up against other models on the market today. Real-world performance. One thing that impressed me was the overwhelmingly positive feedback from customers who have used this product for extended periods. With an average rating of 4.55, it's clear that this mini fridge has delivered results in real-world scenarios. However, as with any product, there are some downsides. Some users have reported issues with temperature control and energy efficiency, so be sure to read reviews carefully before making a purchase. But what about the competition? Does Frigidaire's EFR376 Mini Fridge hold up against other models on the market today? Indeed it does. With its impressive capacity, manual defrosting, and affordability, it's clear that this mini fridge has won over many hearts. Therefore, if you're in the market for a reliable and efficient mini fridge, keep reading because we're about to wrap things up. Conclusion: the Frigidaire EFR376 Mini Fridge is an excellent option for those looking for a compact and efficient storage solution for their small space. With its sleek design, impressive capacity, and affordability, it's clear that this product has won over many hearts. However, as with any product, there are some downsides. Some users have reported issues with temperature control and energy efficiency, so be sure to read reviews carefully before making a purchase. But don't just take my word for it. Be sure to check out the link in the description below for the best price on Amazon. With its impressive performance, affordability, and warranty, this mini fridge is an excellent option for anyone looking for a reliable storage solution. For the best price, click the link in the description.